Oh, let's see that, and it working. Okay. Clock is working. That's a hood fan. You can turn it on. This fan go on slow and go to fans number 4 fast. The light off, only clock. Okay, so clock is displaying. So this is brand new. Everything's new. Working, hot water is working. So pretty much everything's in working order in this house. And this is the inside, okay? And right now we walk to outside. Okay, this is light working, and we have thing in here that turn the garage on and off. So you put your hand up there, automatically go bad. So I give you a warning. Well, this outside is a side yard. This is a patio here. Yeah, and this is backyard. It's an irrigation system. They still working. Fans here. Neighbor Jack. His name is Jack, and it's that new A here. So it's a change gate. So